In the FX market, taking a look at the British pound futures, inside range today for the British pound, down about 0.5% after Friday's big rally, a little bit more than that on the lows. But there is a holiday in the UK, so it led to this mild sell-off, in my opinion. We didn't have a lot of activity on the buy side of this, so it's a low volume, profit-taking sell-off, but it is an inside range day. There's not really all of the characteristics for this to be a reversal inside range, but it is an inside range day, meaning that the high is lower than the previous day's high and the low is higher than the previous day's low. That makes it an inside range. A lot of the times that's a reversal signal, but on this low of a volume with a holiday in the main economy that the currency is tied to, not likely to play out the way a normal one would. Potentially there's news on the front of a Brexit deal. We had local elections in the UK over the weekend, and both the Tories and Labour lost seats. The Tories specifically, who are the pro-Brexit party, lost 1,300 local seats. That's a very big loss for the Tories, but Labour lost as well, kind of furthering the idea that the UK public is really tired of both parties fighting over what they consider to be their future, whether they were Remainers or Leavers during the Brexit vote. The sort of dysfunction of the UK government being shown at the elections of the local parties. A lot of third and fourth parties won seats, which won't put them in any position of power, but kind of sends a message, and there is talk about the two main powers moving closer and closer to a compromise deal that they can present to the EU. And then lastly, the dollar was flat overall. Again, low volume. Really some volatility during the day, not in terms of percentages, but overall with the president's tweets pushing equities lower, the dollar lost and then came back toward unchanged on the dollar index on the day.